Good morning, guys. I am going to make hot chocolate for me and hubby. I just want to show it to you how I do it. Okay, I have here 95% cocoa bars, and I also have a cacao powder. Pinaghahalo ko silang dalawa. Tapos, I put in some honey para yung kanyang sweetener and hot milk. Here we go. Simple lang siya. What I do is, I put in may marka pa, 1 tablespoon of cacao powder. Hindi lang pala daw basta chocolate powder. Kailangan cacao powder. 100% cacao powder. Yan. So, itong mixture na to, ay bali hindi na siya 100% kasi meron pa din. Diba? O maybe, ganun din yun. Kaya lang, mas maraming chocolate kumbaga. Naging 2 tablespoon ganun kasi may ganito pa. Ayan, ganit na siya. So, kakat ko lang yan dyan. Nalagay ko dyan. Wala lang, dagdag lang. Pwede namang wala ito eh. Or pwede rin siguro, ito na lang. Mapait siya guys, hindi siya masarap. Yan. Tapos, then, ito, tunawin natin sa milk. Yan, microwave ko lang tong milk. Beautiful. Yan. Tapos, we will add some honey. Yan. Yung honey is according to your taste. Yan. And the other one. Here we go. So, ganyan lang siya. Actually, itong milk ko ay full cream milk. Yan. Pero may mga lactose intolerance dyan, edi yung lactose free ang gamitin nyo. Yan. At saka the milk is the A2 milk. Kasi yung regular milk lang na nabibili natin ay daw yun, modified. Kasi yung baka na pinanggalingan nun ay genetically modified, GMOs kumbaga. So ito ay talagang organic. Ay, ang ganda ng cup. Beautiful. Ito yung cup ng aking asawa. Para nakikita daw niya ako kapag nagsisip siya ng kanyang tea, coffee, any hot drink. Beautiful. That's it. It's done. Hot chocolate, 100% cacao powder. Oh, diba? Sweet. Hey Google, what is cacao good for?
On the website operafoods.com.au, they say, raw cacao is packed with flavonoids and polyphenols, which are powerful antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation in the body. The compounds in raw cacao can improve blood flow, decrease blood pressure, and enhance overall heart health by supporting vascular function.
There you go. So, try it, guys. Cacao. Siguro sa atin, yung tableya, pure kasi yun eh. Pure yun from cacao beans. So, naisip ko lang, maganda siguro yun. Yun siguro ang talagang ano. Kasi less processed siya talaga. Tableya. Try nyo na, guys.